Exercise 2.4. First question. Divide. Find 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. What we are going to do? We are going to divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay, divide a whole number by a fraction. Now what you can do? First you rearrange the given whole number as a fraction. So you can write like 12 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. So what is the rule? That reciprocal of the divisor should be multiplied with the dividend. The reciprocal of the divisor should be multiplied with the dividend. So the reciprocal of the divisor should be 4 by 3. So 12 by 1 into 4 by 3, which is equal to, you can simplify more, 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, so 4 4s are 16 here. 4 4s are 16 here. Yeah, look at the second part then. 14 divided by 5 by 6. 14 divided by 5 by 6. So 14 can be written as 14 by 1. So you can write like 14 by 1. That reciprocal of 5 by 6 should be 6 by 5. I think so you cannot simplify more. 14 6 are 10 6 are 60, 4 6 are 24, 60 plus 24 is how much? 84 divided by 5. Okay. Now this fraction is an improper fraction. So you can reduce into the, you can rewrite into the mixed fraction. Okay, otherwise you can leave it here, no issue. If they ask you to convert the result into an improper fraction, you have to do that. Now, third part, 8 divided by 7 by 3. 8 divided by 7 by 3. How can you write? This is a whole number, so you can put 1 in the denominator, that is 8 by 1 into reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So now, what is the rule for the multiplication of two fractions? Multiply the numerator divided by the multiplied by the denominator. So 8 3s are 24. 1 into 7 is 7 here. 1 into 7 is 7 here. Shall we move to the next part? Yeah. The next part is 4 divided by 8 by 3. 4 divided by 8 by 3. So it is a whole number. So you can put 1 in the denominator. You can make it as a fraction. How can you make it as a fraction? Simply we can put 1 in the denominator. Okay, so then 4 by 1, that reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. Now simplify, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, so it should be 3 by 2. It should be 3 by 2. Shall we move to the next part? Yes. The next part is 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. How can you write down this one? 3 divided by 3 by 1 can be divided by 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Convert this mixed fraction into an improper. So 3 by 1 should be multiplied by the reciprocal of 7 by 3. Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is what? 3 by 7. Am I right? So what is the rule of multiplication of two fractions? Multiply the numerator divided by multiply the denominator. So 3 3s are 9, 1 into 7 is 7. So the required answer is 9 by 7. Now look at the sixth part here. 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. 5 divided by 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. Alright? Yeah. That can be written as 5 by 1 divided by, first you convert this mixed fraction into an improper. So 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7. So again this can be written as 5 by 1 into that reciprocal of 20 by 7 is 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Now if it is possible to reduce into the lowest form, do that. So you can, 1 5 is 5, 5 5s are how much? 25. It is 5, it's looking like 8. 1 5 is 5, 5 5s are 25. So 1 into 7 is 7, 1 into 5 is 5. So 7 by 5 is the final answer. 7 by 5 is the final answer. Am I right? Yeah. And then second question, shall we move? We will do one more question, second question, and then on Monday we will do the rest of the questions from this exercise. So whatever I am teaching, please you practice at your home once more time. Am I right? So every day you have to, whatever I am teaching.